What is up, guys? Zach and Jack here with the Toasty Bros.
Today we're going to be building our own mechanical keyboard using the KBD75 do-it-yourself kit from KBDFans with some 62G Zilent switches.
Alright guys, so you're actually going to see how we did our own custom paint job to make it soft iron from red.
We're going to use our mechanical switch opener I picked up from mechanicalkeyboards.com. It costs about $6, so it's pretty cheap and it's going to be worth it if you plan on lubing up your switches pretty often, or even just for one-time use. It's $5, it's not that bad. So what you want to do first is you're just going to want to slip it into the sides here and apply a little bit of pressure to get it open and unlock the latches on the side. And then when you open it, you can just set it down, take this out. You want to set the housing down. So what we're going to do first is you're going to want to lube the sliders. Just because the springs on the Zilents can be pretty scratchy, I'm just going to lube those up a little bit. And then I'm going to put it on the stem in the middle of the switch, kind of turn it a little bit. And then I'm going to do the top part of the spring now. Next you're going to want to do the slider portions on this. Basically you just want to lube anything in this switch that makes contact with another piece. And now you get to do it 83 more times.
Alright guys, so we just finished up soldering the board and now we're going to piece it back together and then flash it. So of course, if you guys like this video, go check out KBDFans.cn. They have all different kinds of keyboards. Now in this case, we use the KBD75 custom mechanical keyboard kit. So that came with pretty much everything you needed beside the switches, of course. Now in the video, we did mention if you are going for a very silent keyboard like Zach was going for, you may want to upgrade the stabilizers because that is where the most sound was actually coming from on this keyboard. But other than that, it was overall extremely quiet. And as you can see, this keyboard itself has many different configurations, and you can also get it in multiple finishes. So we really hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you guys later.